Hi, little artists! Welcome back to Toddler's Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw a super fun and colorful house using just shapes.
Yay!
Are you ready? Welcome to Toddler's Art Hub. Let's go grab our black marker and get started. Let's start with the roof of our house. First, draw a triangle on the left side. Now draw a rectangle right next to it. This completes the roof shape. Now from the roof, let's draw 3 straight vertical lines going down. Then draw a long horizontal line at the bottom to connect them. Now let's add a door in the front. Draw a tall rectangle in the middle part of the wall. Let's add a cute window next to the door. Draw a rectangle with a line in the middle. Then add a little wavy shade on top. What a cozy house! Now draw a long rectangle below the house. And here comes the cutest part. Draw a little heart shape on the triangle part of the roof. Ah, this house is full of love. Nice job, everyone. Now take your black marker again and trace over the lines to make the outline bold and sharp. This will make your artwork pop out beautifully. Awesome! Isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. And guess what? We're using rainbow colors today.